I was sent these thermal blankets for my review, and I highly recommend having these in any first aid kit, having them in your car, because these are so fantastic. These are windproof, they're waterproof, and they retain body heat. So I think of, winter coming, people getting stuck on the side of the road in your car breaks down, and then you hear of people like completely freezing. Having something like this is absolutely fantastic. So I know it just seems so crazy if you've never seen one of these before, but this right here is something that can honestly save your life. Just having this, being able to wrap this around you, keeps all of that body heat in when, so you don't go into hypothermia. And as I said, waterproof, windproof, all of the things. You can even use this kind of like as a ground covering if need be, if you're somewhere where, you need to like sit on this and then wrap yourself as well. I think these are absolutely fantastic. I love how thin and lightweight they are. If you're, backpacking, if you're camping, definitely recommend bringing one of these with you. And this one in particular here is a 4-pack. You can also get an 8-pack.